The Karnataka government has proposed a new law to tackle fake news and misinformation on social media. Under the draft Karnataka Misinformation and Fake News Prohibition Act, offenders could face up to 7 years in jail and fines of up to 10 lakh rupees. According to the draft, fake news includes false quotes, edited videos or audios that change facts or meaning, and completely made up content. Misinformation refers to knowingly or carelessly sharing false or misleading facts, excluding opinions, satire, comedy, or religious and artistic expressions. Anyone spreading such content that affects public health, safety, peace, or elections may face 2 to 5 years in prison. Helping to spread it could lead to 2 years imprisonment. A fake news regulatory authority headed by the Kannada and Culture Minister will be formed. Special courts and public prosecutors will handle these cases, which are marked as non-bailable and cognisable. Courts can also order corrections or content removal during trials. The draft also seeks to ban abusive content, anti-feminist posts, and anything seen as disrespectful to Sanatan symbols, except research-based content in history, science, or religion. The government argues that current laws aren't enough, and with India having one of the largest internet user bases, stricter action is needed to prevent harm caused by fake news.